Looking for the top brain tumor surgery hospitals in India for international patients? Discover the top 10 hospitals with expertise and specializations. Apollo Proton Cancer Center, APCC, Chennai is renowned for its multidisciplinary approach to treating brain tumors. Offers minimally invasive and robotic-assisted surgeries for improved outcomes. Medanta, the Medicity, Gurgaon leading neurosurgery department with a focus on innovative treatment approaches. Medanta specializes in advanced neuroimaging techniques for accurate tumor localization. Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurugram internationally trained neurosurgeons with expertise in complex brain tumor surgeries. FMR2 is known for its comprehensive neuro-oncology program. Artemis Hospitals, Gurgaon offers advanced neurosurgical techniques for brain tumor removal. Focus on personalized treatment plans for each patient. Manipal Hospitals, Bangalore leading neurosurgery department with a focus on neuro-oncology. Manipal Hospitals offers personalized treatment plans for each patient. Aster Medcity, Kochi pioneering neurosurgery department with a legacy of excellence. Aster Medcity specializes in awake craniotomies for precise tumor removal. Max Super Speciality Hospital, New Delhi state-of-the-art facilities for comprehensive brain tumor care. Max Healthcare expertise in treating pediatric brain tumors. Yashoda Hospitals, Hyderabad internationally trained neurosurgeons with expertise in brain tumor surgeries. Emphasis on minimally invasive techniques for faster recovery. Gleamy Eagles Hospitals, Mumbai multidisciplinary team of neurosurgeons and oncologists. Advanced neuronavigation techniques for precision surgeries. Indraprastha Apollo Hospital, New Delhi comprehensive neurosurgery department with a focus on patient-centric care. Utilizes cutting-edge technology for brain tumor surgeries. How WDI Medical Tourism helps in brain tumor surgery in India? WDI Medical Tourism is a leading medical tourism company that helps international patients seeking medical treatment in India. Was founded in 2010. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information. Thank you for watching.